Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new video. I'm Spongile if you're new on here, and welcome to Life with Spo. Welcome to a new vlog. I just got my nails done. I'm so excited, you guys. I love this color so much. It's so pretty. It's called Enchanted, and I think that I'm using the last bottle at the store. I used this color the last time. Love it so much. I had to do it again this month and just went shorter. I feel like I keep asking them to go shorter and shorter on my nails because my nails just grow like so wild. Like they grow so long. I really don't like how, I mean, I love it, I really appreciate it, but it's like every time I do my nails I feel like but I asked them to go shorter. Why are my nails so long after a week of doing my nails? But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I just got my nails done. I'm so excited. Another thing I did, you guys, I got myself some plants. I'm going to decorate our roof terrace. Also got these flowers. These are called the Margarets, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty, so bright, so white. Yeah, I can't wait to decorate our roof terrace. Tanda is also looking forward to decorating it with me. I also bought like some lights to put up on the balcony, and like some fake flowers just to add on the greenery and like just to add on like the gardeny feel, because I want like a lush looking garden, but I cannot fulfill that with like all these plants at one go. It's gonna take me a bit of time. Like so yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I am off to go play with my husband and my sons. I hope that you guys enjoy the video.
But then not this.
Oh yeah, you have to move that. Oh, can you not? Oh, yeah. Let me push you a bit. Come.
No, it can work like this, baby. Yeah. No, then this one in the back is there. No? She's in the frame. The child just slapped me.
I'm sorry.
Are you?
No.
Because you don't look like it. Aua! And then he's even making the sound for me. Thank you.
One Oreo. Okay, so, and then one with one strawberry and Oreo. Yeah. want to taste mine?
It's not a big deal.
Hey guys, just put Lulu to bed, so you're gonna spend like maybe an hour or two with me in evening after putting the kids to bed. Made myself a coffee and it's delicious. I am here looking for music on Epidemic Sound, and I'm finding so much music that I love, you guys. I'm finding a whole lot and I'm loving it. It's like when I listen to the music, I can already think of a vlog. So I feel like the music is also inspiring me to think of content that I want to put up on my page.